y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Nessa. Today we're going to be doing this colorful look, and this look was inspired by Beads by Deb. She's a fellow YouTuber and she'll be doing some bomb ass looks. So I was like, you know, I'm gonna start a new series on my hair on my channel where I'll be recreating YouTubers looks. Alright guys, because I'm not trying to step out of my comfort zone and do some colorful looks for y'all. So we are gonna get started into this video. So what I'm doing there is priming my eyelid, and I'm using the Plouise base. I believe this is Rumor 02, and I'm just spreading that all over my eyelid and just blend it out. Alright guys, next we are going to use the Juvias Place Zulu palette. That's what we are going to use today to complete this look. And first I'm going to go in with this orange shade. I'm going to place that right up in the crease or above my crease, whatever. No, just packing that there, and then I'm going to go ahead and blend it out. As you can see guys, I'm using a really small brush, and this is a pencil brush that I'm using to blend out this orange shade. Guys, if you hear noise, moving vehicle, that's because I'm sitting at a roadside and I decided that, hey, I'm gonna do this voiceover today. This video needs to be posted today. So yeah, that's what I'm bringing to you right now. Then we are going to go into that pink shade, and we're gonna pop that right next to the orange, and we are going to pack it in first, and then we're gonna blend it out. Guys, as you can see, I'm switching brushes, so each time I dip in a different color, I use a different brush. All right guys, so we're going to blend that right there, right next to the orange, and just create a little transition there. Next, we're going to pop that purple shade. We're going to pop it on the outer corner of the eyes, and we are just going to pack it in, and then we're going to blend it out. All right guys, if you are new to my channel, please go ahead, subscribe to your girl. Also hit that post notification bell, or should I say, yes, hit that notification bell, so that whenever I upload a new video, y'all will know. Okay, all right, now we're gonna go in with that yellow shade, and we're gonna pop that right above the orange, and we're gonna blend the two, kind of like diffuse the two, like make it be a transition from orange to yellow, or from yellow to orange, if y'all get what I'm trying to say. All right guys, so I'm taking another small pencil brush to do that section there as well. So first I packed it on, and then I blend it back and forth. All right guys, so yeah, that way I do. So we're going to also smoke out around that pink shade. We want to make everything look smooth and diffused and form a nice transition. All right guys, so that's what we're doing right there. Alright guys, so we're just basically smudging and blending out everything, make sure that everything is nice and smooth in transition. Alright guys, so the next step is we're going to go ahead and cut the crease. But before we cut the crease, I'm going to clean up the section where I'm going to cut. Alright, and I used a makeup remover, and this is from Garnier, and on a Q-tip. I was going to say toothpick, but it's a Q-tip. And we're going to go in with our next base from Plouise. This is the white one, and I'm going to use that to carve out my cut crease, and that's where we are going to put down our colors in just a little bit. So as soon as I perfect this cut crease, y'all will see the rest. Okay. All right, going back in the Zulu palette, I'm taking that yellow shade, and I'm going to pop that right on top of that lid area that we just carved out. And we are not wiping it, we are patting it on. we're basically pressing it into the base so that we get more out of the product, and so that we don't move the base as well, because it will come across looking tacky. So we're just pressing that into the Plouise base. All right, now we're gonna go in with that teal, turquoise, I don't know colors, but y'all get the drift. I'm gonna use that same color right there, and I'm just popping that in the middle, and we're kind of like overlapping it with the yellow as well, you know, just to make it have a little nice transition and all that good stuff. Like, guys, this look is not gonna look exactly like Beats by Deb's look. It's gonna look similar, but it's not gonna be the exact same thing, because I kind of tweaked the look a little bit, and I did not use the same palette that she used. All right, so we're basically kind of mimicking whatever that she did. All right, guys, now we're gonna go ahead and pop on some glitter liner. That's after I blend out the purple shade on the outer corner. And this glitter liner or eyeshadow is from Kate London, and I think this is her cream eyeshadow, something like that. Don't remember the name, but all the products used in this video will be in the description box. You can go ahead and check that out. So basically, we're just, you know, gonna go on to apply some mascara, so that, you know, we're basically prepping the lashes for some false lashes, because this look ain't complete unless you're wearing some lashes. All right, guys, now before I put the lashes on, I'm gonna take my glue, lash glue. I'm gonna place it on a brush, angled liner brush, and we're gonna use that as a liner kind of. So the glue that I'm using is white. I believe this is a Kiss lash adhesive, don't remember, but I'll have it in the description box. So first I line my lashes, or lash line first, before I put the lash down. I find this to be much more easier than when I put the glue on the strip itself. It's, you know, I take a shorter time to put my lashes on when I do it this way. All right, so I'm just, you know, making sure that the lashes are on and they're secured, all that good stuff. Now, the focus of this video is the eyes, so we skip the whole face routine kind of thing. So we're gonna go under our lash line with the Plouise base, the white one still, and that's gonna be the base where we're gonna place down the yellow, which y'all will see in just a little bit. Okay, all right, guys, so again, I want to apologize for the noises, the crickets, the birds, the squirrels, the cars, everybody. Like I said, I'm sitting at a roadside, and I'm just, you know, want to make sure that y'all get this video and get it on time. Like, I've been sitting on it for like maybe a couple of days, so it's time for me to, you know, post it. All right, so we're just, you know, placing the yellow down, and there you go, there you have it. Now for brows, guys, I've not been doing my brows. It's because I got microblading, but y'all know how the foundation will get on your brows and stuff, so it kind of, you lose the shape from time to time. So I'm just going in, you know, kind of filling in my brows a little bit, nothing too extra. The whole extra amount that I used to do back in the day when I was doing my brows, I don't do that crap no more, okay? Because anywho, I'm just blending out the liner, and then we're gonna go ahead and set the face. If y'all want a video on this makeup, the complete look, where I'm doing my foundation, highlight, contour routine, let me know. I do have a video, but I just wanted to make this video as short as possible by bringing to you the eye look. All right, guys, now we're gonna go ahead and add some mascara to my bottom lashes, because again, this is another step that I cannot skip. I feel like my makeup is incomplete when there is no mascara on my lower lashes. All right, so moving forward from the eyes, which the eyes are done, like so done. Now I'm going to move to the lips, and for lips we are going to use the ColourPop lip pencil, and this is in BFF. It's a brown lip pencil, lip liner, yada yada yada, and we're using that to line our lips. All right, guys, so yeah, after we're done lining the lip, then We're gonna put on some lip gloss, and this is from Wet and Wild. Guys, this lip gloss is like maybe say $3, and I'm telling you, I love using it. All right, so that's in the shade Mauve Over, something like that. Like I said, guys, I'm not even near the products that I've been using, so I'll have them linked in the description box down below. Guys, if you like this video, please go ahead, give it a thumb up, share it, subscribe, and what can I say? I'll see you on the next video. So thanks for watching. Peace out.